Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make barbecue sloppy joe grilled cheese sandwiches. And I'll be using my Oster electric skillet and my Curtis Stone reversible grill griddle. Did you guys know it was National Grilled Cheese Day? I didn't, but this is the perfect time to upload this yummy video. Guys, this meal is so fast and easy. There's no type of prepping with vegetables. You don't even have to pull out any seasonings. So I'm starting off with 3 pounds of ground beef because I'm making enough for 2 days because ain't nobody got time to be cooking every day. And I'm using my potato masher to break up the ground beef really small. And then I'm using my turkey baster to remove the excess fat. Now I'm going to add in 2 cans of Manwich Sloppy Joe sauce. I'm using the bold flavor. And then I'm going to add in 1 can, I think it's 14 ounces of fire roasted diced tomatoes. And then I'm also going to add in about half a cup of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And just like that, your Sloppy Joe filling is done. Easy peasy. So now I'm going to put some frozen french fries in my Phillips XXL air fryer. I've got some crinkle cut fries and some curly fries. And while those are cooking, I'm going to build my grilled cheese sandwiches. I'm using Texas toast. And then I'm going to spread some mayonnaise on the outside of the bread. I actually prefer mayonnaise over butter. 1, it's easier to spread, and 2, it tastes pretty yummy. So now I'm going to place the bread mayo side down on my preheated grill, and I'm going to top the bread with some shredded cheese, and then I'm going to top the cheese with the Sloppy Joe filling. Now you want to add enough meat to where it's sloppy, but like not too much meat. And once you've added your meat, then you're going to top that with more cheese. Now it's time to top the sandwiches, mayo side up. And I'm giving the sandwiches a little turn so I can get crisscross grill marks. And then here I am turning them over. And then I'm just cooking until the cheese is melted. My french fries are all done, and now it's time to serve it up. So here's one of the sandwiches. I'm going to cut into it so we can see what it looks like. I've never made these before. I just kind of threw this together at the last minute. So I'm just excited as you guys. And look at that. These tasted even better than they looked. Oh my gosh, the kids were so excited. I had to have some, even though I'm not supposed to be eating this, but I had to have some, and it was so good. I'll definitely be doing this again, and this is super quick and super easy. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.